Welcome to our channel. YouTube TV allows you to customize your channel lineup with additional network packages. Here are easy steps to add more channels. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or visit tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Step 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account if you're not already logged in. Step 3. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Step 4. Navigate to the Membership section in your Settings menu. Step 5. Scroll down to see available add-on packages such as Sports Plus, Entertainment Plus, or Premium Networks. Step 6. Click on the add-on package you're interested in to view included channels and pricing. Step 7. Select Purchase or Add to subscribe to the package. You'll be charged monthly in addition to your base subscription. Step 8. Once added, the new channels will immediately appear in your channel guide. You can manage or cancel add-ons anytime from your membership settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.